my God, bitch, I run the game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God, oh my God, everything I do, you know I do it for the squad. I'm like, oh God, oh my God, bitch, I run the game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh my God, everything I do, you know I do it. I know, it's been a hell of a ride. Hell of a ride. I know that I've been MIA. But I was tired of till I heard you talking shit. Now I'm fired up.
It's a little dark. Alright, I'm in focus. Okay. Hold on. Don't get all up in the camera. What you need to sit the camera out for? Just sit down. Okay. Now that we're here. Alright guys, I just wanted to give kind of a little bit of a something right there. Just wanted to give kind of a little bit of an update. A little bit, right Duke? Don't look at me. Just wanted to give a little bit of an update because I know I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks, but this video will be up on this upcoming Sunday. Yeah, I've been at my father's house actually, and well, let me explain a little bit, I guess. My mom and dad are separated, and so during the summer I come over here to visit my father for a whole month. But during the time of the month, my father and my stepmom just kind of go to work, and I'm just kind of here at the house by myself. So there hasn't really been much to vlog. And actually the first weekend we actually did go somewhere. We went to the Comal River over there by San Antonio and Austin area over there, and I forgot my GoPro. Yeah, it was pretty upsetting. I didn't forget my GoPro. I brought my Hero 1, but this video quality is nothing compared to the session at all. And so I didn't want to record if I'm not going to put out my best work, because that's just one thing I want to do. Every time I put up a video, I want it to be the best that I can do. And so I didn't end up recording and stuff, and I just haven't really been doing anything. As you can see, I'm here by myself. I'm just with Duke and Deja, which are my 2 pit bulls, and I haven't been doing much. But I wanted to pick up the camera and do something creative, and so I'm gonna try and see what I'm gonna do. Actually, this weekend, it's the middle weekend of the month of July. I'm actually gonna be with my mom. It's the one weekend that I'm gonna be with my mom, and so we should do something kind of fun. We whenever I'm at my mom's house, we usually go out because I have little brothers and stuff, and my mom doesn't work, and so we have the opportunity to do that. Over here it's different because I don't have any siblings on this side, and both my dad and my stepmom work. So yeah, it's a little different when I come over here. But this weekend I'm gonna be with my mom, so that should give me something to film. But yeah, that's all I've been doing pretty much. Just here chilling, not doing much. Yeah, it hasn't been boring, because we do go out and stuff, but it's later towards the day, and we do go eat, stuff like that. But it's just different. I don't have any little brothers over here, and so we have different type of outings. Next week, starting on Monday and ending on that next Sunday, we have some family coming from Mexico, and so that should be fun. We're gonna be going out and stuff like that, so that should be fun. And look, here comes Deja. Look, you can see Deja. Come here, Mama. Come here. This is Duke right here. He's my white pit bull, and this is Deja. She's my blue pit. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. No, you gotta come up here. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Come on, come on, come on. She's almost up here. Come on. There she is. This is Deja. And this is Duke right here. He's the one that you saw before. This is Deja. But yeah, I haven't been doing much, just chilling. I will see you guys on Sunday. And this video will be attached with some of the stuff that I do this weekend. Where's the record button on this thing?
Oh my god. What happened in the bunch? I found a wild night. Smoothies right here on the side. It's on the smoothie flavor. I got this one. Anthony.
Yeah.
What do you want, baby?
I have one of your berry smoothies. Huh?
You put banana on the smoothie.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Can we put Jacob?
the wings too, right? They open up when you turn it. They're not open all the time, right?
No. Just now getting to the gator wall. Right, Ryan? The gator wall.
That was the only fun thing about that job, is getting to try to use the background to learn, like
where everything is.
Cool. Yeah, that was cool. I did like that.
That way. Look at me, Ra.
Liking this adventure so far, Ryan?
Look at me. Look at that way. Look at me. Look at that way.
Hey, pink's a manly color.
What? Do it again. Look at me.
What do you think of our adventure so far?
Good.
There you go. Oh, don't fall. I almost fell. Put your foot up front. Don't put your feet in the back.
So that when you catch speed, your other foot can be back here.
First foot here. No, no, no. Your right foot. No, up more. A little bit back. Right there. and then you're just gonna keep going right there, and then you're just gonna push off. And then once you catch enough speed, you're gonna put that back foot right here. All right?
I think I can do it.
You're gonna do it. I know you're gonna do it. Come on, Jakes, get over here.
Oh, Jacob, get out of the way. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Push off. You're walking with it.
Feeling great, honey.
First time on a penny.
All right.
I like it.
All good.
You did awesome. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Now you gotta give me a high five. Boom. Wait, better one. There you go. Give me two. Boom.